Here's how to avoid wasting your money on a brand designer. Coming from a brand designer. Quick intro, my name's Nicole Bruton. It's lovely to meet you. I'm a brand designer and strategist, and I'm here to help you out. Let's get into the video. So you just went through an amazing rebrand. You love the way it all came out, but for some reason, you still don't look professional or consistent. The problem isn't the design, and the problem isn't you. The problem is you don't know how to apply the brand you've been given. To fix that, I've got 3 tips for you to look on brand on social media. First of all, take a look at your brand book. If you just rebranded, you should have been given a brand guideline or a brand book. Please take it out every time you're going to create a social media or you're going to make something. Give it to whoever is in charge of designing. Tattoo it on your face so you don't forget it. Always show the designer or yourself the brand book when you're making anything for your business. Number 2, do not, and I mean do not ever edit directly on the app. You're doing your editing on CapCut, Canva, Adobe Express, the Edits app, literally anywhere else. Why? If you have captions, you want to make sure they are the same font that has been selected for you in your brand book, so you can keep that consistency. And always use that same caption style. That's a way of maintaining that professional designer look. Same goes for your lighting. Make sure it is consistent across all of your videos when possible. For video covers or reel covers, I recommend just creating a few simple templates and repeating them all across your feed, across your video posts, because that's gonna make the whole vibe look consistent and like it belongs together. Oh my God, the next tip is so important. Don't forget to show love to your highlights. Let me repeat it. Don't forget to show love to your highlights. They're an afterthought to many of us. Yes, even me. I spent way too much time ignoring my highlight reels on Instagram. I'm ashamed, but that's okay. Highlight covers don't need to be anything out of this world. They could literally just be your logo, a simple color from your business's color palette, any iconography you have. And it's such a small touch, but it really goes a long way when somebody comes into your feed and sees that, and they might not be consciously thinking about it, but that tells them this is a business, this is safe, this is professional. Because the more on brand you look, the more professional and safe you're always gonna look. Even if you have like a crazy brand that is the entire opposite of professionalism, it's still gonna feel safe because you're telling the person, this isn't a scam. Have you ever seen a drop shipping site? Like, you can tell there's not a lot of effort. The design just looks like it's just quick, in and out, whatever, let's keep it going. On to my next tip, the profile picture. I swear to God. If I see another profile picture that is your entire horizontal logo that just looks like this, you're driving me crazy. Because A, you can't read it, and B, doesn't look good. Se ve chapuceado. Like, I have to Google this because I forgot a simple English word. You're just really putting it there as a placeholder. It doesn't feel intentional. It makes your account feel like it's not as credible. So if you rebranded with a designer, you should have an icon version, and that's what you should put in your profile picture. Or it can be any of these. You know, here's inspiration. You can get creative with this. It doesn't have to be your logo, but it does have to be clear, readable, and simple because you have a very small space. I already talked about fonts a little earlier, but I just wanted to go in a little deeper. When it comes to fonts on your social media, whether it's carousels or videos, whatever, you should have a max of 2 fonts. One that's for headers and one that's for general text. If you're writing little notes on your posts or you're writing captions, whatever it is, that's your secondary font, and your main font is going to be for your headers. The good news is that these should already be in your brand book, and if you have purchased the license to them, you can pretty much use them anywhere. Chances are your fonts will be on CapCut or Edits, but on the small hand of cases that they're not there, you can add them in. And for my final social media brand tip of the day, stop chasing every trend. I know we all want to go viral and we all want the most eyes possible on our posts, but really evaluate if this trend fits your brand, because then you're confusing your consumers and your audience. And a confused person doesn't buy. So make sure every trend you do fits within your brand strategy and your brand aesthetic. Honestly, I can go on about this for hours. So if you want a part 2, just let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.